going on, guys? Jay that drain guy. I forgot to turn my mic on the camera, obviously. That's why we're doing this today. So as you guys can see, we're in a big box store and we got a plug toilet. So I'm just getting the camera set up here. And then I actually had Logan on this job with me. This was one of the ones before he went back to school. Logan's doing good. He's enjoying school. Oh, we're trying the plunger. You won't be able to clear it with the plunger, Jay. That's not how you use a plunger, Jay. Why are you doing it like this? Oh, wait a minute. The water's going down? That's just weird. Oh, no, I don't think it's clear. It's not down all the way. Oh, no, it is clear. Jay does know what he's doing? Probably not. But I don't know if you guys noticed the crack at the back of the toilet. It's not actually on the toilet, it's on the seal. People in these big box stores, I kid you not, they've been caught standing on the toilets, like squatting. People are just ridiculous. We've seen people, these toilets broken right off the wall. So you guys can see I'm testing it, putting lots of paper, flushing. I don't believe anything's stuck in there. It's going, you know what I mean? Like, so yeah, I guess not much to say. Just everything's running good. So we just got about another minute here. So everything's still running good, flushing good, draining good, lots of paper, no hesitation in the flush at all. So this is probably where I don't realize that the thing is off. All I'm saying there is, oh Jay, you're so handsome. Oh Logan, you're so cool. And there's the logo. So I want to thank you guys for watching. And until next time, this has been Jay that Drain Guy signing out. Trogna.